Hey, welcome back. In this part, we will create header. I'm Fahad Ahmed with you. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our PSD file. Here is the logo in the left side, and in the right side we have a menu. We will make those menu scrollable. That means if we click to this about, we will scroll down this about section. Then if we click this services, we will scroll to services section. And the same thing for project and contact. When we click those, we will scroll this section. Okay, now let's go to our Elementor editor. Here there is no about section, so let's make this section as a about section. Click this one. Now let's go to advanced tab. Here we can see CSS ID. Now let's type here about. Then this is the services section. Edit this section, advanced tab, and here is the CSS ID. Let's type here services. Then let's go to this section. In the PSD file, this name is projects. So go to this section, advanced, and set a ID here, projects, and then we have the contact section. Edit this section, go to advanced tab, and set a ID, contact. Okay, now let's click to this update button. Now we will go to our dashboard. Okay, from here we will go to appearance to customize. See, here is the option site identity. Click this one. Then here is the set logo option. We didn't save our logo. Let's go to save our logo first. Click the logo. So here is our logo. Control A, C, N, enter, and Control V. Remove the background. Now let's save this one. Save for web. Select PNG and save this. We'll name it to logo. Okay. Now let's select this logo. Upload files. Select files. Here is the logo. Let's select this. Open. And click to the select. And from here we will click skip cropping. Okay, our logo is set. Now click to this publish. Now let's go back. From here you will see menu. Let's click this. From here you will see no menu is created. Here is option create new menu. Let's click this one. Here is a menu name option. Let's type here main menu. We want this as a primary menu. Then we will click next. From here we can add menu name. Let's click this add items. From here you will see a lot of options. We will click this custom link. Okay, so here our first item name is home, and we will put the URL a hashtag. Then click to add menu. Let's create another one. We'll name it to about, and we will link it to our about section. Okay, now let's click this add to menu. Then again we will add services section, services, and linked with the services section. Okay, add to menu. Then another one, projects, and we will link it to our project section. Then add to menu. Then we have the contact, and we will link it to our contact section. Okay, click to this add to menu. Okay, our all menu item is created. Now let's click to publish. Okay, here you see our logo and here is our menu, but the design not match with our design. So we will go to our dashboard. At first we installed some plugins, Elementor header footer blocks, essential add-on and WP form. We already used essential add-on, WP forms. Now we will use Elementor header and footer blocks. Okay, from the appearance you will find these plugins option, header and footer blocks. Click this one. Okay, so here it is. Now we will create a new template. Okay, so here it is. Now we will select a option. We want a header. Okay, then here is a display option. We will set entire website. Now we will click to this publish. Okay, then click edit with Elementor. Okay, here we will create our header. Click this plus icon, take a 2-column section here and go to the element. We will search here for logo, this one. Let's drag it to here. Here is image size, we will make it to full. Then we will go to the style tab. Here is the image width option. Let's select the pixel. We will make it 100 pixel. Okay, and we want this to left align. Here is left align option. Okay, now let's go to this element and search for menu. We will use this one. You can see here is HFB, that means header footer block. Use this one. Now let's style this. Go to the layout option. From here we will align it to right. Then go to the style tab. Here is the padding option. You can increase or decrease the padding. Let's set it to 25. Then you can see here the color option. Let's go to our PSG. Here all menu item is in yellow color. So text color will be yellow and the background color will be none. Okay, then here is the typography option. Click this one. We will select font family will be Wasworld, and font weight we will make it 400. Now we will make it vertically middle. Let's go to this column. From here we can see vertical align option. We will make it to middle. Okay, now we will go to this section. From here we will go to style and background option. We will select a transparent background here. Okay, now go to the advanced option. Here is margin option. Let's unbind this. Margin bottom we will set 100 and this will be in minus. Now let's update this. Okay, now let's visit our site. We can copy the link from here and open it in a new tab. Okay, so here is our header, but the header is not aligned properly. Let's go back to our editor. Now let's go to the layout option. We will set a minimum height here. We will make it 100 pixel. Okay, now we will make our logo a little bit smaller, like 80 pixel. Okay, now let's update it. and go to our website, refresh it. Okay, it's looking perfect right now. Then we can see how it's look on tablet and the mobile view. From here we can go to the tablet mode. Okay, it's looking nice, but this is in center. We will make it aligned right. From the layout, here is option. We will select it to right, and we will change the color. Go to style tab, scroll a bit. Here is a drop down option, and there is a menu or toggle icon. Let's change the color to yellow. Okay, then let's go to mobile view. Okay, in mobile view, the logo and the hamburger menu in different line, we will make it to one line. So click this column icon. As width option, we will make it to 50%. And for this column, we'll also make it 50%. Okay, now let's click this hamburger menu. Okay, so here is our menu now. Let's update it and go to our website, refresh it. Let's see how it's looking on tablet and the mobile view. Inspect it, click to this icon. Okay, in the mobile view it's looking like this. Click this on, the menu is appear, and if we click this on, the menu is disappear. Okay, so we already created our header area. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will inspire us to create this kind of valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye and good luck.